Are you moving to Nashville, Tennessee looking for custom new construction? Today we're looking at a beautiful new custom home right in the heart of Green Hills. We're gonna check it out right now. Let's go. All right, welcome back everybody. I am once again in Green Hills. There's just so many options here. Behind me, you can see this beautiful custom home, 3-car garage. This one's on an HPR, so there's another home right on the other side of this one that's on that same lot. And so they tore one house down and built two. And but this one, it's beautiful. It doesn't feel like an HPR, honestly. Once you get inside, you're gonna see this one's not staged, so you gotta use your imagination on the furnishings of it. I'll give you a few specs of this house here. So you're 5 beds, 5 full baths, 1 half bath, 4,930 square feet, and this one's listed at 2.275 million. So again, you're paying a lot of what you're paying for in this area is the location. You have the owner's suite is downstairs, and you have one more bedroom on that level as well. I'll show you this other house here beside it too, just so you can kind of get an idea of what HPRs look like if you haven't. So there's another house there. It's not attached, but you have one big lot. So you don't have a huge yard in the back, but but it's pretty peaceful and pretty quiet over here. And if this is the first time to my channel, I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. We're out here every single week looking for unique custom homes for people just like you. So hit that subscribe button, notification bell, all that fun stuff, so you can stay ahead of what's happening here in Nashville. Yeah, just love this home, love this area. You're close to everything here. You're close to 440, the interstate that loops around the entire city. You're close to Broadway here, Weston, 12 South, Belmont, all the cool places that everybody wants to be. You are right in the middle of it right here. So just a great location. Can't wait to show this one to you. Before we go inside, I'm gonna put my phone number and email right here at the bottom. Book a one-on-one consultation with me and my team. I would love to meet you. Let's get on a Zoom and tell me more about what you're looking for here in Nashville, Tennessee, and we will find it for you. So let's go check this house out. All right, what did you think about this home? Comment below, let me know your thoughts. It wasn't staged, so you had to use your imagination on what furniture went where, but just a beautiful home, very well built. I love the layout of this home with the owner's suite tucked away in that back pocket, and then the other bedrooms upstairs, and well, you have two downstairs, but the other one's upstairs. The big bonus room upstairs is awesome, and I love the location of this home. That's a big part of why you're paying the price that you're paying on this one. And I hope you enjoyed it. And again, as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping you find your next home right here in Middle Tennessee. Whatever your budget is, reach out to us. Can't wait to hear from you and meet you in person, and I'll see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.